Hi, my name is Zara. Today, I'll be making fish, chips, white and fry.
Welcome to my kitchen, the heart of the home with me, Neris, and my daughter.
Neris.
Yes. And what are we making today, baby?
Fish, battered hake.
We are making battered fish and chips. We are using hake. All right. We're making this dish for?
Daddy.
Yes, we're making this fish for Daddy. We have our ingredients here ready. And this is just easier for Azaria. So the fish has been cleaned and deboned.
You can keep this.
So the first thing we need to do is we need to make our egg wash and egg wash.
Egg wash?
Yes, we have 4 eggs in here. And I'm just going to put it in here for Azaria to make it's for mommy.
Yeah, you do.
Do you like helping mommy in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I love you.
And you like making food for Daddy?
Yep. Do you want to me? Before this got smoked.
You take it on
Take a fork.
Messes happen.
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
Okay, so next up we are going to be battering the fish. And Azaria is going to be helping me.
In the kitchen.
Yeah, that's fine. We've got our hake fillet here. I did dab it a little to make sure that the excess water is removed. We just need a few simple ingredients for this.
Yeah.
And
I don't need ingredients.
simply, yeah.
Ooh, she got good.
And we have some all-purpose flour.
That's just this is flour.
All-purpose flour.
Flour.
Okay, so we're going in with our all-purpose flour.
Put it in tight.
And we're just going to put that into our big casserole.
Yep.
And Azaria here is going to be helping me with the rest of the herbs and spices. Are you helping mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we have here is some turmeric powder.
See, that's it?
Of course. Good job. And we've got some paprika.
Can I put that in too?
Of course you may. And we have, what else do we have? We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Can I need that too? Please?
We have mixed herbs and spices.
I want to do that too, please. Thank you.
Black pepper powder, about half a teaspoon. And here we have some garlic powder, about a tablespoon of garlic powder.
I'm doing good, Dad.
And here we have some salt, but we're not going in with all of the salt because I need to feel salt. I'm going to do this one, okay?
Okay.
So salt is something that I feel with my heart.
Yeah,
Have to do it with my heart. And I'm just going in with just a little bit of that. I'm also going to add some into the egg wash.
Oh, thank you.
All of that for me. Can you mix it up a little?
Okay, very nice.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you, Mommy. And I did need to do that do it too bit. There's what's good. And the baby realizes it. And
This is what the flour looks like.
this one
And this is what Azaria helps me with as well, which is Azaria's egg wash, which is also ready and sauced.
is a good job.
He did a great job. High five. Very good. Yes. We're going to be starting the battering process, and please bear with us. Zara is only 4 years old, and she loves being in the kitchen with me, and she absolutely loves to cook. I don't always give her the chance to, but this is something that she wants to make for her daddy. So she really wants to help me in the kitchen, and she's doing a great job. So here we have the fish fillet. You can see it's nicely cleaned and deboned. It's a nice clean fillet. And so all we're going to be doing is we're going to be dipping this in some of the egg wash.
Yeah, that's my one.
Yes. You want to make sure you get some of that egg wash all over the fish. And then we are going to be putting it into this mixture.
Yeah?
And just making sure that the batter gets all over. The flour mixture gets all over. It's a little messy. I'll give you a chance to do it now, okay?
Okay. I can see your last one.
You can do the next one. So I am not double dipping this. I don't want it overly coated. We do want a nice crispy fish and chips, but not overly coated. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna dust that and leave that on my board. And we have 6 hake fillets to go. And Azaria is also going to be helping me to do that. Baby, you can do the next one, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Go put it. First, you gotta put it in here.
Okay, put it in here.
Okay, put it. Be careful. Okay, that enough. And there.
Did I do it?
Yes, you can. Let me just take it in there. So you're gonna put it here, and then you're gonna put the flour whole.
And then we probably.
I can put it closer to you.
Thank you.
Would you go?
Thank you.
Can you put the flour on top of the dish? No, don't move the fish. Put the flour on top of the dish. Can I help you?
See, I want to do it all on myself.
Here we go. You did it. And now, once that's done, we're gonna pass it down.
Mommy, pass it.
Pass it.
Pass it.
Okay, not too much. We don't want that crumbs to come off. And now we're gonna dust it off. Okay, so we're gonna do this side.
We
a
do
little
that
bit.
side too.
Yes, and here we go. It's done. Azaria's is nice and done. This is Azaria's, and she did a beautiful job. This is what our hands looks like, guys. Show them your hands, baby. This is fun.
Yes, same.
It's a little small one. It's a baby fish, that big.
Yeah, because I'm a baby.
My baby.
Yeah, because I can have fun.
It's the last one.
That was my one.
What's your?
Yeah.
You're going to eat this one.
This is pretty. No, that's my one.
Okay, do it. Make sure you get it all over, okay?
Okay, of course.
You did a great job, baby.
Yeah.
High five.
Okay. Hi, guys. My mommy is the best mommy in the whole world.
Okay, so now we are at the stove, guys, and we are ready to fry the battered hake. So we are just going to be...
I help too.
Not for long, okay? You can help me pour in the oil.
I think that's enough.
So we are adding in ample oil.
Yep. Carrying it together. We're carrying it together. Daddy liked the fish. Mommy, fishes are yummy. I wanted the women. Yeah, yummy. I like the fish.
Very tasty, Nana.
Like, share, and subscribe.